And welcome back to my channel, the Queen Phoenix. Today we're going to make this tiny basket, and it's worked all in one go. This is the perfect little decoration, or you can put it on your keychain, or if you have kids, it'll make a nice little play item for them. Let's do this. You'll start by making a magic ring. Today is not my day to make a magic ring. Here we go. Into this magic ring, chain 1. Then you're going to make 7 single crochets. Pull tight to close and make a single crochet and join into the very first single crochet. In each stitch across in this row, you're going to make 2 single crochets. If you want, you can use a stitch marker. The choice is yours, so that you know where to come back to. Once you're at your end of your row, you will have 16 single crochets. Please slip stitch into your very first one. If my fingers would just cooperate with me. Now you're just going to make 1 single crochet in each of the 16 single crochets right around. And you will still have 16 when you get to the end of this row, and this is row 3. Slip stitch into your very first stitch. You're going to repeat what you did twice more. 1 single crochet in each stitch across. And that will be row 4 and row 5. Same thing, 1 single crochet right around. And that's where I'll meet you at the end of row 5. When you get to the end of row 5, make 1 single crochet, or well, first slip stitch to join. Then make a single crochet in that stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Turn. 1 single crochet in the same stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Turn. You will continue this until you have your desired length of your basket. About 8 rows plus minus. You can make it longer if you want to, or shorter. Just continually, so it's two single crochets and turn. 1 single crochet there, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and turn. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 3 more rows to do. 2 more rows. 1 more row. This is it, the final row. And you can see I'm using a very little bit of wool to actually do this on. Scrap yarn is perfect. Chain 1. Leave a long enough piece so that you can get your needle into to work this in. The easiest way to find your center is just to fold it in half. And there's my center right here. I'm turning this inside out. Putting this piece on a darning needle. So I know that's the center. I'm going in through this stitch. Then I'm going to go into the next stitch and into the stitch of my little handle. Just going to go in there one more time. One more time in the next one also. And make a knot. work your piece of your tail in. You can work it whichever way you want to, as long as you hide it a bit. I'm not really worried about the tail in the basket because nobody can see it, so I can leave that piece there. I'm going to turn it back inside out. And here's your tiny little basket. It's not even mini, it's tiny. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Queen Phoenix out. I'll get you on the next vid. Enjoy crocheting.